Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I have some Happy Meal to share. Um, this is from Crafty Me Shop, the sale this past weekend, and another design team bag. So let me show you what I got first in my order. She has so many new things that, yeah, sorry for the crinkling. I meant to take it out before and then I forgot. All right, so I'm going to take it out on the side here. All right. So I got this. It's a fairly stretchy trim, and this is the right side here. I really, really like this, and it's a very light, like almost like a tea color, really light tea. And I think I got 2 yards of this, or 2 or 3 yards of this one, because I knew I would use it. And then this is a very light lavender. It's a rainy day. I have lights on, but it's still, it's not going to come across probably the colors that it should. And then this is also, I believe it's a light lavender. Let me, you know what, I always forget. Let me get a white piece of paper. There, now you can see it a little better. I think it's lavender, but it also looks kind of pinkish too. So there's that one. Let's leave that right there. And then these came in a pair, and these are so pretty. They can be used for corners or pockets. Well, however you want. It's a really small, what I would usually call a collar, but it's so pretty. And I think you can dye this. Yep, that's all right. I think you can dye them. And then this beautiful, I think this is like a periwinkle blue. It's coming across brighter on my screen than it actually is. It is more blue. I think I'm going to leave that right here. There, that's the true color. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I'll pierce the right side. I love this color. I think periwinkle may be my new favorite color besides lavender. And then I got it in this color too, which is almost like a seafoam green, I think. And again, I'm probably the wrong side. There you go. These colors are just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Esme. These are beautiful laces. Okay. And that's so strange. Now, this one against the white, and even when I hold it up, well, maybe that's a little bit truer color. It's like a medium purple, but it's showing to me anyways, looking at my screen, it looks almost blue, and even against the white it does. That's weird. But no, this is a medium purple. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's probably better. Let me turn on my overhead webcam light that I have, see if that makes a difference. That might make a difference. Okay. And then I got this. Oh, you don't need the white because it is white. I saw this and I had an idea for it. And then I got all the little tiny flower trims in the different colors she had from my, what I was calling my faux embroidery. And this is white. And then this blue, which is true, looks true to color. And then this lavender. There, I guess I'll have to put that on. This is a green. It's not neon green, but it's this color here. Lime green, maybe a light lime green. And then this is like a dark raspberry. That's the only thing I can think of is it's raspberry, but it's weird how some of the ones, when you put it on the white, don't. There, I think that shows a little better. There's red in it, red and purple, so. And then I got this wide eyelash lace, and it's a dusty rose color. It's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me see if I can. And again, it's hard to, I'm going to hold it up too, just in case you can see the different color. And then I got a yard of this. Look at all the tulle I'll be able to use. I'll probably cut it off like right about there. And then I have all this tulle. And this is a an ivory butter, almost like a buttery color. I got this the week before, completely forgot, and when I saw it again, although I like sometimes having more than one yard of something. So that's my order. All right, let me move this. And then here is my DT, which says DT. And again, thank you, Esme. These bags are just crazy that you've been sending. Oh my gosh. There's so much. Okay, so first we have this crocheted piece here. You could use this as a pocket in a doily book or a fabric book, journal. That's so pretty. And then let's see, what's this? I'm just going to put that off to the side. I won't bother trying to put it back in. And then there's this little one. These are so cute. Those are the tiniest sequins I think I've ever seen. And then I have these 4 corners. They come in 4s. Or no, actually, I don't think they're a little different. So these must be new. So pretty. What's this? And then there's this one. This little applique here. This little applique here. Love this. There's so much you can do with these. Oh, and then she sent me one of these that I had actually purchased in a sale, but I can always use another one of those, that's for sure. And then she sent me, trying to see if that's, no, it's the same color. So she sent me like another yard or 2 with the screen one. Oh, and this was in that little bag too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These little, I'll call them medallions. And then I think this is a French trim. Oh, excuse me, I don't know what you call it. but I love these for framing. And that's a pretty color too. I don't have that color. It's almost like between a really dark pink and a coral. And then there's two of these tiny, tiny trims, which Esme knows I love these, in the green and the pink. And look at how well the green and the pink go. Let me hold it up a little. Love these two colors together. Perfect for spring. And then here's a light blue, almost like a Tiffany blue, I think. This is pretty. I just love the tiny trims. And then she sent me, this is stretchy, and it's a little darker than the other one I got. She sent me quite a bit of that. That's pretty. I like going around the outside of my journal covers sometimes with that. Oh, and then she sent it to me in ivory. Only I think this is, yeah, it's not quite the same. The lace underneath here isn't quite as wide. But it's pretty. And then this is really different. Okay, it's this side. But this is good for layering. When I want to layer my laces. A couple of yards of that. And then I haven't seen this one. They look like shells. Actually, I think they are supposed to be shells. It's this side. I think she might have dyed this one. This could be coming in tomorrow's sale too. I don't know, because she said she did a lot of dyeing of white laces and trims, so that's pretty. Okay, here's, wow, she sent me a ton of this, which I'm grateful for, because this, then I can dye it in different colors. There's probably like 3 or 4 yards of this. So I will choose a couple, keep some white, and then choose a couple of colors. This one I think I saw it was either this past week or the week before. She had this in the sale, and I don't know why I didn't get it, but I didn't. But she sent it to me, so I'm thankful for that. Esme spoils her design team quite a bit. I mean, quite a bit. And then she sent me this one, a dangle, which again, I'll probably dye. I use white, but sometimes I like it, even if it's just like a beige color. So I'll probably green tea dye this one. If you use green tea as a dye, it maybe it's depending on what the fabric is made of, but I get a champagne color, which is just beautiful. This is a very light pinky coral. And again, I think this was in last week's sale, and she may have it in again this week. That's pretty. Like the, I don't know what you call this. It's almost like Aurora Borealis. Is that, and the box pleats. Let me put that up there. And then she sent me this one. This is a beautiful green color. Wow. Look at how pretty that is. That's beautiful. And I think I have this. This is another one she might have dyed, because I think I have this in a beige color from another sale. And then she sent me a yard of this, which now I have, this will be 3 yards, but I love this. This is one of my new favorites. And I have an idea for this. Oh, when she sent me some of this that I got, I just showed you in my order. It's a beautiful color. And last but not least, she sent me a huge amount of this one. This is like a medium sage green, maybe. But it's so pretty. Is this the right? No, I think it's this way. It's hard to tell. Some of them, you really can't tell the front from the back. They're so well made. Everything is just beautiful. Esme, thank you so much. This is just crazy. I love every single thing she put in the bag. It's just beautiful. So that's it. That's my my purchase and DT bag. So there'll be a link in the description box for Crafty Me Shop. It's a Facebook group if you have never heard of it. And Esme sells every week, or mostly every week. Once in a while, she'll take a weekend off. And it's usually Friday to Sunday. You get your invoice Sunday night. If you pay it by either 11 a.m. or noon time on Monday, your order goes out that day. And the only thing you need to do, it's a public group now, so anyone can go over and join. You should answer the questions though, if you do. And what else was I going to say? Oh, make sure you send either Esme or myself in Messenger, in private message, your PayPal email address, and then you can start shopping. And there's a sale starting tomorrow around 10 a.m. Pacific time. Esme's out in California, so it's always Pacific time. And yeah, I can't wait to see. She's gotten a ton of new laces, appliques, fabrics, you name it. She's gotten it. And so there'll definitely be new things, and I'm sure some repeat things that some of the ladies like to get more of when they run out of, if she has more or if she can get more. So yeah, don't hesitate to go over. Her prices are just so good, and it's just beautiful things, quality, and I mean, I just can't recommend it enough. So before I keep rambling on now, I'm going to say goodbye. Have a good weekend, and I'll be back soon with Project Share. So bye for now.